In this video, we are talking about top 20 tips for a stress-free vacation. Number 1. Research the local customs and culture before you go. For example, if you're traveling to a conservative country, you may want to dress modestly and avoid showing too much skin. Number 2. Check the weather forecast. Pack appropriate clothing and gear for the expected conditions. For example, if it's going to be rainy, bring a rain jacket and waterproof shoes. Number 3. Notify your bank and credit card companies. Let them know that you'll be traveling so they don't flag your transactions as suspicious. Number 4. Keep a copy of your important documents. Make copies of your passport, travel itinerary, and other important documents in case they get lost or stolen. Number 5. Download offline maps. This can be helpful if you don't have access to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Number 6. Carry a small first aid kit. Include items like band-aids, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers. Number 7. Use a money belt or hidden wallet. These can help keep your cash and valuables safe. Number 8. Learn basic phrases in the local language. Even if you don't become fluent, knowing a few key phrases can be helpful in communicating with locals. Number 9. Stay connected. Keep your phone charged and bring a portable charger to stay connected with loved ones and access important information. Number 10. Be mindful of the local time zone. Adjust your sleep schedule to avoid jet lag. Number 11. Use public transportation. This can be a cost-effective way to get around and see the sights. Number 12. Consider travel insurance. It can provide coverage for unexpected events like medical emergencies and trip cancellations. Number 13. Keep an eye on your belongings. Be aware of your surroundings and keep an eye on your bags and valuables. Number 14. Stay hydrated, especially if you're traveling to a hot or humid destination. Number 15. Pack a reusable water bottle. This can help you save money and reduce waste. Number 16. Take advantage of free walking tours. Many cities offer free walking tours that can be a great way to see the sights and learn about the local history and culture. Number 17. Try the local food. Eating the local cuisine can be a great way to experience the culture and connect with locals. Number 18. Be respectful of local customs and traditions. For example, if you're visiting a temple or shrine, make sure to follow the dress code and other rules. Number 19. Check for visa and vaccination requirements. Some countries may require specific visas or vaccinations, so make sure to check the requirements before you go. Number 20. Have fun and be open to new experiences. Traveling is an adventure, so embrace the unexpected and enjoy the journey. Thanks for watching Nomadic Pages. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit a notification bell to get regular updates.